What's your name?
Ashavari Roy.
Japri.
Akshay. I'm Siddharth.
Shreya. I'm Prakriti. I'm from Delhi College of Arts and Commerce, and that's Akash. You must have heard about the DU Innovation Project.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've heard about it. Yeah.
So it is part of that.
Okay.
So we have prepared a questionnaire which is on stress, and the title is Study of Stress Levels and Stress Sources Among Undergraduate Students of Delhi University. This survey has got different sections which questions you on your academic stress, on your relationship, or on your interpersonal, any sort of stress, or family for that matter. There are different levels of stress. There are different kinds of stress.
The budgets, hostelers, and all those things, migration, and all the stress sources, and so is with the locals, like family conflicts, etc.
We just need to know that, how stressful do you feel in different situations. This survey is inclusive of all these things, the questions related to that.
So you can just go through these surveys, and as soon as you go along, just mark out your stress levels.
Still, you need my response, right?
Yeah, exactly.
I'll fill it out.
So you're done.
Yeah.
How was it?
Very useful and very knowledgeable actually, because I never knew that. I always thought that I'm a very stressed person, but then after filling this questionnaire, suddenly I realized that my stress is only concentrated on just on one part of my life. The rest of it, I'm pretty relaxed.
The survey was good. It was quite comprehensive, actually.
It's pretty informative, and it answers many questions which we face day to day in our day-to-day lives.
I feel that I have managed to put something outside of me.
The survey was very interesting. It was very in-depth and very quite detailed. I mean, there were some questions, which were like, how do you manage failure? Or how often are you stressed when there's a failure? When you're overburdened with work? These are some questions that happen in our daily life, and we just forget about them, and we just move on in our daily life. So these questions actually just made us stop and think as to actually, do these things make us stressed now, or are we just working like a machine?
It just makes us feel and realize in which field we are stretched out. Like, we are stretched, but we cannot point out to which field we are stretched. Like I have mentioned, like I'm stretched when I have exam and presentations. So your survey helps us to point out and make it clear that this is where we are stretched.
The survey was very much interactive, and it covered almost all the areas of stress in a student's life, and there were some areas that I wasn't even aware of.
Pinpoints the stuff that stresses us.
Your survey makes me show the negative point of me. It shows a negative point where I am. And
You felt negative?
No, not negative. Like,
It helps me to.
it flashed me the negative point of me.
Okay, it reflects the negative point.
Yeah.
So you found it helpful?
Yeah, a bit.
Yeah, it's helpful.
It answered a few questions about myself. All right, and as of use, I don't think so. It was useful, but the thing is, fine, I got to know something about me. So that's it. I got to know something about me. Yeah.
It's talking about stress. It's all about introspection. So I don't think there was any difference. I mean, I knew how stressed I am already. So I can say I found it helpful,
because as I said, I'm already introspective in that respect, so it was fine.
Okay, so I mean, did you come across some questions which you thought initially like you're not stressed upon, but then looking on the survey you found, okay, this is some sort of a stress which I wasn't aware of, but it's still prevailing in me?
Not really. I'm aware of the stress levels. We come across, we discuss it with our friends and family, so we get to know what are the stress levels we are facing and what is this main stress.
So you say about like the academic things really stresses you most. So what do you do and how it stresses you most?
Deadlines scare me, to be honest. If I don't meet a deadline, I get very anxious, and so I have to overcome that fear. Usually, like, I'm a foodaholic, so I cook or I watch TV because when I'm stressed out, I don't like going out, so I just make a little cocoon of my own at my home, and that de-stresses me a lot.
I've actually realized that my interpersonal relationships are something that actually stress me the most. So I had no idea about it earlier, but now that I have an idea, I'm actually going to think about it, that what am I going to do about de-stressing these.
The most is like me being a multitasker. I'm like everywhere. I feel like doing something or the other. Being an extrovert, I feel like participating in every competition, taking part in whatever is happening around. But after a point of time, it's like the thing reverts back to me. It's like, yeah, I have my studies as well, so that's I'm putting like aside and doing the work. So that thing often comes to me, and it's like, yeah, it just stresses me sometimes.
Being a college student right now, I mean, completing deadlines for assignment, exams, and just a good future right now stresses me the most.
Let's see, right now I have a habit of throwing things when I'm in stress, so maybe I'll just help myself by praying. That actually helps me a lot, or maybe listening to music. Let's see what helps me out.
I listen to music sometimes. I try and watch some good movies just to divert my mind from all of this. I often read comics and DC comics, so that's what I do usually to cope with my stress.
For me, it's music all the way. So I love listening to music, and getting to hear the music that you want at that time when you're stressed out, it actually relaxes you a lot. So music is actually divine.
What you have written in the last part, music, and this has been very common. So why do you think music is so important in de-stressing?
Everybody is born with their own rhythm. That rhythm consists of two things. One is the heartbeat, human heartbeat, and the other is the way neural impulses travel through our body. And everything, it is composed, all these two things, they are composed of a rhythm. What music does, music is composed of three stuffs. One is sur, tal or lay, which we call it. In basic, if we use the English word, that is notes and the beats. Every person does not like all kind of music. People do not like all kind of music. Music is selective to the people, and the reason being that music provides us a resonance with our inner rhythm. When we hit that accord with the beats and with the song, we are able to enter a state of relaxation. We are able to identify our own self. हमारे thought process जो है वो उस beat के साथ एक flow में आ जाते हैं, और उस flow में it all makes things easier.
Does stressing, these stress factors, actually plays a major part in like washing away your life plans, etc.?
Yeah, it does, because most of the times when what you plan, if you're stressed out, it doesn't go according to your plan. Half of the times, if I'm stressed out, I won't be able to give my 100% to what I am concentrating on.
I knew what stress I'm facing. It was just that it was, I sort of went back in time and realized, okay, what is stressing me, and in that respect it was helpful. But then I am already aware of whichever stress I have in my life.
So you're saying you're not at all, now you realize that you're not at all stressed?
Not that stressed as I used to think myself to be. I'm stressed only when it comes to academics and examinations. जैसे यहाँ पे कुछ issues have been taken up, like family pressure, health issues, relationship problems. Those are not a part of my life at all. I'm pretty chillaxed when it comes to those things. Yeah.
So, but what exactly, you're saying that academic pressure is the thing which stresses you the most? Okay.